Okay, we're back here in the shop with Dad and repairs for the client on the 1961 Narrow Gauge Bombardier, and we're going to interview Dad, do a walk around. Okay, so Dad, what are we doing here? What have you done in the last couple of days?
I'm gonna start at the front and work back.
Okay.
There's new rods, woods on the skis.
Oh,
They're
wow.
all done.
Okay.
And the doors are all fitted up so they fit properly.
Okay. What was the issue with the doors?
They're sagging.
Okay.
I put all the floor back in after installing the heater and the lights.
Okay.
Now, this is what it sounds like when you start it.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Takes a second for the gas to get there. Now, this is the lights, and you'll see is the tack in there.
Yeah.
Tack.
Working tack. I didn't know what this was the other day. Now I do. Lights are all on.
And this is the 3-speed heater. Low,
Okay.
medium, and high.
Okay.
To feel
yeah.
the air blowing there
I can
now.
hear it too. Okay. So these look like original seats.
These are original seats that we had recovered, and I gave them to the owner.
Okay.
Because he wanted to be original.
Okay.
Horn works. Okay. I reset the choke and timing a little bit for starting because it was over choking.
Okay.
But all the hoses are new and they're all tight, so everything's good there. New block heater.
Okay. How long did this take you to do? Because we haven't done a video in a couple of days. Was this like, one task per day or?
This took 12 and a half hours of actual working.
Okay.
Okay, I had set the timing there. You see that red mark?
Yeah.
That's how far it was off.
Oh wow, that looks like
so that's why it wasn't running good.
What, 1/3 of a centimeter or something like that, or half a centimeter?
Quarter of an inch.
Okay.
And there's the light.
Okay.
New battery, new posts,
Yeah.
and marked positive and negative. Well, it's grounded.
Yeah,
right
yeah.
here.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put some gas in it.
Yeah.
We only got this much gas.
Yeah.
And then we're going to test run it. I might
Okay.
have to do a little more adjustment on the distributor for timing.
Okay. Now, did you do anything here with this?
No.
No?
The guy that owns this is a carpenter.
Yeah.
And I want him to put a 1/4 inch or a 1/2 inch
Panel in the back?
board here.
Yeah.
And then screw through here, or else put another board on to stiffen this up.
Okay.
He's supposed to finish this himself.
Okay. Okay, that's all cleaned out.
So he'll insulate the roof
Yeah.
and cover it and do the sides. And this is his spare tires. When he takes the skis off, puts his tires on. But all the floor is in and brakes are adjusted again, so
Okay.
you should be good to go.
So this is one of the things you've mentioned to me in the past. You love working on bombardiers, but you're not a carpenter,
No.
and you don't like carpentering. So
I like welding
yeah.
and fixing.
Yeah.
I'm not a carpenter.
Okay. So is there anything else that we need to point out? I think you mentioned something about the brake
Yeah,
the other
it's
day.
fixed.
You fixed it.
Yeah.
What was
Just have to adjust the linkage.
okay. So how long did that take you?
Well, you got to pull the whole floor out. That's
Yeah.
what takes time, eh?
Okay.
And then this part here screws in, so the brake is behind this, so you got
Okay.
to take that off too.
Okay. So
It's all
overall, you're happy with what client requested and what you completed. So
Well, it's to me, it's my hobby. I love it.
yeah, can you show me that ski arm that was bent?
Yeah, this is. This is what a new ski arm looks like.
Okay.
The axle goes through here.
Yeah.
Spring sits on this, and this is where your steering is.
Okay.
And there's a rubber pad on both sides here for bottoming out.
Okay. So is this something that you made or that you purchased?
No, I bought this from Shaver.
Okay.
He's got the die or the jig for this.
Yeah.
So everything's dead accurate.
Okay.
And as long as Shaver's in business, I recommend the guy support him, because once he's gone,
Yeah.
you're gonna have a hell of a time getting parts.
Okay. So Dad's referring to Shaver and Sons down in the Stonewall area in southern Manitoba. Dad's bought a lot of parts off him over the years. He's
Shaver.
we like doing business with him.